Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a picture of Jenna in Roblox. Apparently I just accidentally right now. I think he's coming back. I think he's coming back at 7 or 8. Yes, we freaking know that. And I'm gonna show you a picture of Jenna. Yeah, but he changed his name to Jennifer. He's actually so rich. Let me show you guys and his friends. Okay guys, here it is, and it looks a bit creepy, but it said, will you let me in? Yeah, I don't know. But of course, do I will be friends with Harry's friend? Oh my god, what the fucking happened to his? So, I don't know. I know, right? Why do you have a crown? Are you the boss?